All right, guys, here we are. We're gonna do the pool round 2. Before we ended up with a hole in the pool and it was unlevel, and I just said I'm done with it. So Mrs. DragBoss wanted a new pool, so we ordered it online. We're gonna have it done professionally, so we don't have to worry about it being uneven, not made well. So we'll see how long it takes. Oh, there you go. Pool number, it's like pool number 3 or 4 we've gone through. So there's quite a bit of dirt they removed. Pile there. That's why DragBoss ain't doing this. It's sweltering too. It's got to be 85, 88 degrees. So now they're assembling the poles and the plates. Or little stones, really, for the foundation of the poles. There's another view. It's got a nice filter set up there. There's quite a bit of dirt. There it is, boys. Perfect. There it is, getting filled now. Hooking up the pump. These guys don't mess around. It already has full of the white things. Nice. Just add a little holy water to it. But this is much better than I did. Look at that. And this is a 24 foot. The other one was 26. We didn't need that big pool. Something for the kids to play in. Maybe Mrs. DragBoss and DragBoss can get in it. I'm gonna in a minute.
Just walk all the way back and see what they're doing to do.
What? We're getting a pool?
What do you mean getting? We got.
We got a pool.
Is he?
What do you guys think?
Wait, they're making a deck?
They don't make the deck.
We're gonna have to have one though. the next day. Plenty of snow inside. It's getting there. Kids are going to have fun in this. Hopefully we are too. Much more stable than what I did. Stand. Sit. Down. Good boy. Zeus, come. Stop. Sit. Good. Down. It's my boy. Good boy. Come.
I'm gonna be coming into the freezing pool. Ready?
All right, go.
2, 1.
Yikes.
Let's go. My brain freeze. Hello.
Izzy's in it too.
Do that again.
Izzy's in it too, but she couldn't go in because it's too cold.
Scaredy cat. I'm gonna go in one more time.
All right.
Not get up. I'm not going to the stairs anymore. Ready? Ready? Go. Ow, my belly flopped.
Yep.
Run.
All right, off to DBG.
Hi.
Hi.
Watch this.
Yeah. Wow, that's good, Iz.
I want to show you something.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put my goggles on. Or watch this. I could be a dolphin. Ready, Dad?
Yep.
Steady. Got that. Right? Wait, a fishing rod. Ready?
What fish?
I'm gonna do a back flip. Ready?
Yep. Isn't that a front flip?
No, that was a back flip.
It was?
I can also do a front flip.
Okay. Nice. Do you like the pool?
Yeah, it's fun.
Is it warm?
Yeah.
Super warm?
Yeah.
Nice.